Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's very simple tutorial, I'll be breaking down how exactly to get the Facebook application onto your Android TV, a TV box, or even a Google TV. We'll be using a browser, and as far as that browser is based on an Android operating system, this will work perfectly for you. So get into your app store or your app drawer and look for the browser of choice. Click on it to get in and search for the application you wish to download. Just before I search, I would like you to like this video with a thumbs up, of course, subscribe, for this really helps the channel grow and enables us to keep bringing you value like this. Today, we're trying to download the Facebook application. So type in Facebook, Facebook, and you could search for the Facebook app. Now you find a couple of suggestions. These links, the most important for this tutorial is going to be play.google.com. This is the link I want you to click on, and if you click on this link, you'll be taken straight to an install button. Short and simple. However, if this is your first time, you'll be required to log into your Google account. When prompted, log in and click on this install button to begin the download. When your download is complete, you will have this application installed straight into your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. If you found value in this tutorial, like the video. Yes, like the video. Subscribe, it is entirely free and it lets us know you are getting value from this.